Hi, I'm Corey. I want to share my acupuncture experience with you. So, I've experienced neck pain and terrible headaches over the last year prior to acupuncture. So far, I've received 5 acupuncture and fire cupping sessions with Thomas. They have eliminated the pain and tension in my neck, eliminated my terrible headaches, and helped me feel much more balanced and calm in my life. Also, I'm less agitated and less anxiety. And I also have an increased mobility without pain and increased range of motion in my neck. The treatments that I've had have been comfortable and super relaxing for me.